Welcome, in front of me is a Nokia 2720 Flip, and today I'll show you how to enable the portable hotspot. So to get started, let's go into the settings, which I have a shortcut set right over here, and automatically will open up settings. And from here you want to go to, I believe it's below somewhere in the network and connection settings. There it is, internet sharing. Tap on that and then scroll down to hotspot settings, and from here you can change the name of it. So you could change the name if you wanted to, for instance just like Nokia, or you can just type in whatever you want. Then password, you can remove this one and set your own. Now it needs to have at least 8 characters in length, so keep that in mind. I'm just setting something fairly simple. Well, I guess this one will have 9. And yeah, that's all the settings you have. Now once you customize everything here, tap on save, and you can simply go back up where you have the hotspot, Wi-Fi hotspot, and select it to be on. It will give you a message that this will drain a little bit more battery, so confirm it by tapping on turn on, and that's it. And that is how you would enable it. Now you also have this little icon right here for the hotspot to indicate that it is on, and not sure if there's a way to actually, doesn't look like there is a shortcut here. So if you want to turn it off, you will have to go back to the settings and again find the option internet sharing and then disable it from here. But that is how you would set it up and enable or disable it. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.